Jackie, wouldn't you have to work out where, if it was the top petals, where the shadow would be?
Yeah, so what I would do is, good question. What I would do is I look at this one and I go, I can tell that the source of the light is coming from the right across here, because I can see light hitting the outside here, cast a shadow, light hitting the inside here, cast a shadow. So that tells me that the light source is over to the right. So what I would do is I would say, I'm going to pretend on this flower the light source is on the right. Casting the light across. So then you can use the same information here onto these petals. The same information here onto these petals, and then lots of light here and lots more dark on the inside. So if you just choose the same direction for your light source when you're making it up, you've got enough accurate information to transfer across.